Welcome to Crafty Creations. I'm Jayanne, your host. Today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for you. The first thing I want to show you is this scarf. I love the Dollar Tree scarves because they can just throw on really quickly. You can tie them however you like to, and it spices up any outfit that you're trying to wear. They have several different versions of Valentine scarves, but I like this one the best. It says love begins with a smile, love grows with a kiss. It's just super cute. And so I got this to wear as we lead up to Valentine's Day. The next thing I want to show you that I got is this beautiful sign. And you can hang it up like this. It says welcome and then an XOX at the bottom. But I am going to do a DIY out of this. So if you want to see what I'm going to do as a DIY, you need to stay tuned to my channel. The next thing I want to show you are this love sign, and you can hang it up as well. It's an unfinished love sign. You can hang it up, but I'm going to take the hangers off the back and I am going to paint it and do a DIY. And I actually got 2 of those. Because I have these 2 little alcoves in my house and I want them both to have the same thing on each side. The next thing I want to show you are these. They're heart picks, and I'm going to take them off the stick and use them in a DIY as well. The next thing I got is this cute little Valentine's heart sign. It says Happy Valentine's Day. I thought it was really cool. It's very nicely made. You have to dig through quite a bit of them to find one that looks really nice, but you can find one. But I think that's really, really cute. The next one is another sign that says love is all you need, and I'm going to be making this into a wreath. So be sure and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos so that you can see the wreath that I'm going to make out of this. And to go along with that, I got a wreath form, and I got 2 things of this ribbon that's just red hearts, and then 2 things of this ribbon, which is red hearts as well. And then I got 2 decorative mesh. This is white with little red stripes going across it. And then 2 of the red mesh. Another thing that I picked up while I was there is this. I thought this was cute. Our Dollar Tree, there you go. Our Dollar Tree has movies. And so I just happened to dig through there, and my children love Franklin. And it's Franklin's Valentine. So I picked that up for them. I also picked up these 2 napkins, party napkins. We like to use these as our everyday napkins when a holiday's coming up. It just helps us get into the spirit, and it helps make the table all festive and decorative. So we like that. Another thing I got for a DIY is these 2 glass vases, and you probably saw a lot of people haul these at Christmas time, and they made little snowman. We made some. They were really cute like that. But I'm going to be able to do a different DIY with these. So again, if you want to see my DIYs, hit subscribe and hit the notification thing so that you can be notified whenever I upload my video. Another DIY that I'm going to do is with these cute little votive candle holders. I think they're so cute. I got 2 of them, so stay tuned for, and I got little white candles to go in those as well. Another thing I was going to show you that I got is, you may not be able to see it very well, but it's red and clear, those little beads. These are super cute. I use these in several DIYs at Christmas time, and so I'm going to use them for Valentine's as well. So those are really cute. Another thing that I got 4 of these. It's called a Gypso floral pick that I'm going to be using for DIYs as well for Valentine's Day. So I got 4 of those. And then I also got some of this decorative shred that's red and white, and the red is like a shiny red. It's not like the red that you buy individually, but I got some of that for DIY as well. Another thing that I found that I'd never seen at the Dollar Tree before, and I go a lot, that I couldn't pass up. I don't know that I'm going to be using it for Valentine's, but who knows. These were with the brushes and combs for some strange reason, but it is buttons. I thought they were so cute. This one is lots of colorful buttons. They've got, well, we're always needing buttons for craft projects, me and my kids, and so this is a bucket of buttons, and then these are all like black and brown and a little bit of green, the darker colors. So I thought those were so cute, and I can use these a lot. So I went ahead and picked those up, even though I probably won't be using them for Valentine's Day. And then I got these 2 little plates also for a DIY Valentine craft. And then I also picked up this Scrub Buddies Magic Eraser. Now, let me tell you, these things are awesome. Now, they normally come 2 in a thing, and that's worth it as well, because they're 50 cents each. But if you look around, you can generally find the ones that have an extra pack, so it says 3. And let me tell you, I use these to clean everything in my house. Everything in my house. These things work, in my opinion, better than the magic erasers that are made by Mr. Clean. But you can form your own opinion of that, but these things work wonderful. My kids get paint all over my craft table. They paint on it, and they get paint all over it all the time. And I just cut off a little piece of this and get it wet and scrub it, and it's acrylic paint, and it comes off really nicely. I mean, it's unbelievable. We recently moved into a new house, and there was lime and rust and deposits all around all the faucets in the house, and I got a little bit of the magic eraser, scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed, and got it all off completely. This thing will clean. Oh, recently I used this in a really cool way, which I'll probably show in a video. So, like I said, stay tuned for that. And then I also saw these. It's a screen cleaning wipes. So I got some of those because, I mean, hey, you always need to clean your phone, right? And it comes with 20 sheets. It says it helps keep your screen crystal clear and fingerprint free. So I got one of those. And then I got another Brillo Basics. Now let me tell you, I like the Arctic glasses, and I like to keep my eyes cold because down here in Texas it is really hot most of the time. And so I like my water cold, so I like the Arctic glasses, and I'll probably do a video about my Arctic glasses sometime in the near future. But you have to hand clean them. So I get these, and one of these, be sure, they have several different kinds at the Dollar Tree. Be sure you get the kind that says Brillo, because they're much, much better. The others leak. The Brillo kind does not leak. And you just put your dish soap right in here. I'm sure all of you have probably used one of these before. You just pop this open, put your dish soap in there, and then close it, and you can use this for hand washing. And I only use it for my Arctic cups so that it stays clean. And one of these will last me about 6 months using it every single day. So I got another one of those because my other one is wearing out. And then I got 2 different kinds of microfiber cloths because I wanted to try them out. I got one of these last time I was there and I loved it. So I got another one because I know I like it. But there's only one microfiber cloth in this one. But then I found these that comes in a 2-pack of microfiber, and it feels very similar, if not the same, as this. So I got this to try to see if I like it just as well, because then, you know, we get two. That'd be 50 cents each rather than one for $1. And then the last thing I'm going to show you for now is Valentine's. Of course, we're talking about Valentine's today. So I got my kids Valentines, and my kids loved these. When they saw these, they were like, Mom, 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 we have to get this for our friends. We have to get this for our friends. And we currently homeschool, and we're involved with a huge, large group of about 80 kids, and that we pass Valentine's around with. And so I got 13 packages of these for them to put their names on the back, and we'll put them in their little Valentine box. So I thought that was really cool. And so this is really great because instead of just throwing away a card, then the kids will have something to play with. They'll have these cute little dinosaurs, and I'll hold it up a little bit closer. There's an orange, green, yellow, brown, lots of different ones. They're really cute. It says, "Rawr, be my Valentine. You Rexcellent. You're dynamite. You're totally rawsome. Favorite Friendosaur. Love bites. Be my Valentine." I thought that was so cute. My kids just loved it. So, like I said, these is a great place to get Valentines. Super cheap, and they're very, very nice quality. Valentine's, it doesn't look like something that you would get at the Dollar Tree. Bye for now.